Well, you have to take my word for it here, folks. But I put a brand new spark plug in it, the BP6 ES in place of the BP8 ES, and tried to start the engine, and it would only run on the one straight away. It didn't do anything on this side. So I thought, oh, I'll change the spark plug cap. So I did that, and that sort of made the cylinder jump in now and again, but it still wasn't really running on it. So I decided that, and it had been mentioned, and I knew I had one around somewhere, those are two recent coils. There's a brand new one there. So I just disconnected the wires and plugged everything into that one, and the HT wire as well, and we're in business. Although, I'm going to try that one again, because when I disconnected this positive lead, I noticed it more or less just sort of, well, there was no resistance when I took it off the spade connector, so that might have even been a culprit. But funny how it seemed to sort of take a certain length of time, and combined with the downhill run and the throttling off and everything, and the slight oiling that I did see on the original plug, even led me to take the cylinder head off. I'm starting to wonder if I even needed to do that, to be honest, but I'm going to see how things go from here. And I think I may well stay with that coil, see how I get on. So we've got another coil, different plug, and a hotter plug as well, and a different plug cap now. So we'll see where that takes us. Maybe that'll be my get out of jail free card, with any luck.